precious. Brought you something warm. Place it right here. That's it. Go on. You can share, little ones. There's plenty for everyone. Look at you three. So brave today. That's good, huh? Keep your bellies full. Welcome.
Very beautiful. I brought you dinner. Nice and gentle. There you go. There's plenty for everyone. Some chicken, a few berries. Good girl. And you too, big guy. Want to try a blueberry, little one? That's it. Sweet as the forest.
Hey there, little family. I'm back with dinner. It's still warm. Hope you're hungry.
There you go. Take your time.
Is that for me?